Hammond 1551W watertight polycarbonate miniature enclosures. The Hammond 1551W series is molded from robust polycarbonate and is ideally suited for mounting small printed circuit boards. It has a satin texture finish and comes complete with a lid and 4 Plastite No. 4 self-tapping screws, available with or without integrated wall mounting flanges. PC board standoffs are molded into the interior for easy installation. Includes replaceable silicone gaskets to protect against ingress of water or dust, designed to meet IP68. For general-purpose, non-watertight miniature enclosures, try the Hammond 1551 series. For more information on the 1551W series and thousands of other Hammond enclosures, visit us online at hammondmfg.com.